Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're delving into a topic that affects millions of women worldwide, PCOS or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. So grab your favorite beverage and let's dive in. PCOS can seem like a complex maze, but fear not. In this video, we'll break it down into simple, digestible pieces to help you navigate through it. First off, what exactly is PCOS? Well, imagine your body as a symphony orchestra, with each hormone playing a different instrument. In PCOS, this orchestra can sometimes hit a few wrong notes. Women with PCOS often experience hormonal imbalances, particularly in insulin and androgens, which can lead to a range of symptoms. But how do you know if you have PCOS? Let's unravel the mystery together. Diagnosis involves looking at a combination of symptoms, physical examinations, blood tests, and sometimes ultrasounds. It's like putting together pieces of a puzzle to reveal the bigger picture. PCOS is a unique journey for each individual. While some common symptoms include irregular periods, acne, excessive hair growth, and weight gain, not everyone will experience the same set of symptoms. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider for proper diagnosis and management. Now, let's talk about managing PCOS. While there's no one size fits all solution, there are strategies to help you take control of your health. This might involve lifestyle changes such as adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular exercise, and working with your healthcare team to explore treatment options. Remember, having PCOS doesn't define you, it's just one chapter in your story. With knowledge, support, and determination, you can overcome the challenges and thrive. That wraps up today's video. Folks, if you found this helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, take care and keep shining bright.